Well, driving home tonight from work, folks, and still coming down heavy. We got our blizzard going, 35-mile-an-hour winds. You can barely see behind anybody. The roads aren't even plowed. It's coming down so heavy now. It's a thin sheet in the middle that's being blown away as you drive. There's some people walking over there and you run over. Yeah, everybody, that's about it right there, 30 miles an hour, can't see. Nobody knows how to drive in the snow. You'd think they'd all, but a lot of people are poor in this town. They can just about afford a car, never mind snow tires, so that's what happens. It takes forever to go anywhere, and now everybody's gone. This guy here seems to be moving pretty good with nobody in front of him. So here, 35 now. I don't know if you can see that. No, you can't barely see it. But you see all the snow coming down, covering everything. I have the blower on, the windows fogging up. You can barely see the guy in front. That's how heavy it is. You barely see the car, the snow flying off. Makes a nice foggy snow driving. Yep, we already got about 13 or 14 inches and it's still coming down, so we might end up with 2 feet by the morning. Just looked on radar, it's still coming. Been doing this all day, so well, caught up to the next traffic. Oh, here comes a snowplow. Well, everybody get out of the way. Oh, no, he's not plowing. Of course not. Let's drop down some more salt. Snowy. I have to get around this guy. Take it too long to turn. Oh, brake traction there. I got snow tires. I don't mess around. I got 4 snow tires on this car. I usually have studded, but these do pretty good. She got a little 98 Honda Civic. And they don't even slide. And they're 3 years old. Uh-oh. What's going on now? Oh, plow truck. Trying to back out. There. Yeah, as you can see, there's a lot of snow piling up. I'm going to be busy digging out for days. I guess we'll should just pass this guy. These guys got 4-wheel drive and they just take their time. But you know me with my videos, I'm always in a hurry. But you got to know how to drive. Guess I can show you how to do it. Watch. Got a car coming up. That's how you pass them. That way I can do 50. I'm doing 20 miles an hour. Roads are, you still got a dry patch in the center. Well, not dry, but you can see. About 50 if you can see it. Alright, slow down on this corner. There's nobody around. It's towns are just closed up. Get around the slow pokes. There, yeah, plowed pretty good up here. We got a little hairpin turn here. Whoa, there. It's right around sideways. So yeah, that's illegal, pushing snow out on the road. So I got a fine to catch it. Alright, I guess we'll end it here. See all the snow coming down. Alright, what are you digging out? Another one digging out. Okay. Alright, thanks for watching, everyone. We'll see what happens tomorrow.